Students, class 10 social science history, discuss the differences between the non-cooperation movement and civil disobedience movement. It is very important broad answer type question. You will get the hint to this answer in the uh, description box. Then first point of difference is that M.K. Gandhi launched non-cooperation movement in 1920. He launched civil disobedience movement in 1930. Second point of difference, Muslim League supported non-cooperation movement uh, because they had received the support of Indian National Congress in Khilafat movement. Therefore, in return they supported non-cooperation movement. But they did not participate in civil disobedience movement because of the growing proximity of Indian National Congress with Hindu Mahasabha, a political party based on Hindu ideology. This is one point of difference. Next point of difference is that the non-cooperation movement started with the renunciation of posts and titles offered to the Indians by the British government. But civil disobedience movement began with famous Dandi March, and it also broke the repressive colonial laws that were uh, the obstacles in the growth and development of India and Indians. Next point, uh, the non-cooperation movement began with the participation of middle class in towns and cities, but civil disobedience movement began with the participation of industrialists like Purushottam Das, Thakur Das and G.D. Birla. This is one point of difference. Next point of difference is that the non-cooperation movement started against the economic exploitation of the Indians, against Rowlatt Act, against Jallianwala Bagh massacre. But the civil disobedience movement started to attain complete independence for India and Indians. Nothing less than that. This was one very important difference. Next point, M.K. Gandhi called off non-cooperation movement in 1922 because of the incident of Chauri Chaura, in which 22 policemen were burnt alive by the revolutionaries. This incident tarnished the non-violent character of non-cooperation movement, and M.K. Gandhi called it off. Next, regarding civil disobedience movement, M.K. Gandhi suspended civil disobedience movement in 1931 and went to London to participate in the second round table conference, but he did not find any solution to the problems of India in the round table conference, came back barehanded and resumed non-cooperation movement. It continued till 1934. In 1934, the police atrocities increased. All national level leaders were put in jail. The police did not spare even the old, women and children, and it became a very long, prolonged mass movement. Therefore, participants were discouraged, and M.K. Gandhi called it off in 1934. थैंक यू. ये आंसर आपको अच्छा लगना चाहिए, और ये छोटा आंसर है, आप इसको याद कीजिए, देखिए.